Standard 7, English Medium, Subject English. Lesson number 3.1, Tartary. If I were Lord of Tartary, myself and me alone, my bed should be of ivory, of beaten gold my throne. And in my court should peacocks flaunt, and in my forests tigers haunt, and in my pools great fishes slant their fins athwart the sun. If I were a lord of Tartary, trumpeters every day to every mill would summon me, and in my courtyard bray. And in the evening lamps would shine, yellow as honey, red as wine, while harp and flute and mandolin made music sweet and gay. If I were Lord of Tartary, I would wear a robe of beads, white and gold and green they would be, and clustered thick as seeds. And Aries should wane the morning star, I would don my robe and scimitar, and Zebra's seven should draw my car through Tartary's dark glades. Lord of the fruits of Tartary, her rivers silver pale. Lord of the hills of Tartary, glen, thicket, wood, and dale. Her flashing stars, her scented breeze, her trembling lake like foamless seas, her bird delighting cycling trees in every purple well. Walter de la Mare.